gonna be so good.
You've watched this movie 6 times before. You watched it yesterday.
That's how I know it's gonna be so good.
Okay, great. Just try not to jump at the scary bits. Fabio, are you all right?
Not really. I've never been so busy. Mayor Sunita is having a celebration of cheese festival, and it's too many cheesy dinners for Philo to deliver all by himself. Can you help, please?
Of course. Helping you is what we do.
Okay, I should go.
Yikes!
Cheese delivery! I love it! That means crane top.
Why?
We could use it to drop cheese on people.
I say we take the fire top, load up the tank with cheese, and spray it directly into people's mouths.
Maybe we just need to go fast.
It's time to
swap that top!
Voila! My masterpiece! I call it the Cheesy Bang Bang. Yes, the recipe is not quite perfect yet. Too much cheese makes it a little bit bang bang. But never mind. Here, take these.
Wow, this is a lot of cheese, Fabio. Hi, Philo.
And that's just for starters. Also, hi, Bo. Hi, Mojo. Oh, cool top. Sorry, got a dash. Bye.
Go now, you two. Go. Cheese waits for nobody.
Mojo is go-go!
Mojo, Bo, you're delivering cheese now?
Hi, Miss Nita. Helping you is what we do.
Helping Fabio and Philo help you is also what we do.
Excellent. With you two around, this will be the most incredible cheese banquet we've ever had. Also the first one we've ever had.
We'll be back with more cheese.
No problem.
Wow, you two deliver fast. Almost as fast as me.
Cheesy pasta, cheese pies, cheesy omelette, cheesy fries, and a salad. With cheese.
How about a race? Who can deliver all that cheese the fastest?
Oh, I love races. I always go fast. But in a race, I go fast for a reason.
Ready?
Not yet. Still loading up.
Steady, go, bye.
Why did he ask if we were ready?
Doesn't matter. Just go, 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 go. Ha-ha! Okay, Philo. We're right on your tail.
Oh, yeah?
Oh, yeah!
Watch out for those corners!
No problem.
Cheese delivery!
Thank you!
Here you go, Sneeter.
Hurry up, Philo!
Yeah! We've got a race to win.
No chance! Cheese delivery!
There you go, Sneeter.
of my new Bang Bang.
Yeah! Winners! Great race, Philo. But we're the cheesy champions this time.
I was winning till you tooted your horn.
Philo? It's okay, Philo. We're just having a bit of fun.
You're only saying that because you were winning. Let's have another race. And I'm winning this time.
Where is it? My new cheesy Bang Bang. It was right here. It's gone.
You mean that big, gooey, puffy, cheesy thing? Philo took it.
Oh, no. I haven't perfected the recipe yet. It's filled with so much cheese. Jiggle it just a little, and it could...
It could what?
It could... cheesy Bang Bang!
Gotta stop Philo. He's got too much of a head start. We'll never catch him by road. Are you thinking what I'm thinking? It's time for a hot swap! Swoppiton! You get in close and I'll see if I can grab the cheesy Bang Bang. Philo, please! You need to stop!
A helicopter? Well, now you're just cheating.
Whoa! It's not what you think, Philo!
I'm still gonna win. Stop it!
Philo, wait! The cheesy Bang Bang, it's going to go bang bang for real!
Wait, what?
We have to be gentle with it, or else it'll cheese explode!
Cheese explode? Oh no! Ooh! Look out! Oh no!
Nobody move! That thing could go off at any second.
Nah, I don't want to be cheesed.
You won't be, Philo. I'm going to get you out of this.
Oh, I can't watch.
Whoa!
Stay still. I've got to untangle these ropes. But, Bo, do you pull the blue rope or the red one?
One wrong move and it's Gorgon's over.
Oh, hurry!
Are you sure?
Well done, Bo!
Phew, that was a close one. Thanks, Bo and Mojo. I guess I got a little too into that race.
Never mind, Philo. It turned out all right in the end.
That's right. And thanks to you three, Cheese Fest has kicked off with a bang!
A cheesy Bang Bang!
How does that feel, Mojo?
Nearly there. Maybe one more. And another. Ah! You all right, Bo?
Yep. I'll get that. Mojo Swoptops helping you is what we... do? Huh? Must be one of those self-knocking doors.
Shh! She'll hear you. Ooh, a present. Who's it for?
It's for Doc's birthday. I need you to deliver a present to the party.
Oh, well, that sounds easy.
Well, it isn't. Every year she finds a present early and opens it.
Well, not this year. Helping you is what we do.
Just remember, no present until party time.
Got it! Nan, are you in there?
Here, hide the present. Quick.
Is my present in here?
Hello, dear.
We're just, whistling casually. Care to join us?
What's that? Is there something in there? Is that my present? Ooh, ice cream!
Meet me later at the jetty. You'd better, swap that top.
We're gonna need to drive somewhere that Dot can't go.
I know what you're thinking. Fire top.
I wasn't thinking that.
Oh, well then I know what I'm thinking.
I'm thinking it too. It's time to
Swap that top! Monster top!
Don't worry, Nan. With Mojo's Monster Top, we can go anywhere. There's no way Dot can keep up.
Don't be so sure. The party isn't until this afternoon. Until then, there's nowhere you can run. There's nowhere you can hide. She absolutely will not stop until she gets that present.
Presents! Mojo is go-go! Present!
Right. Let's get this party ready.
Where can we go?
Deep underground, high in the mountains. I hear the moon is nice this time of year.
Not that far. She can't keep up with a Monster Top. She's riding a tricycle.
Present! How fast is that thing?
We'd better get a move on. No present till party time, Dot. That was close.
I think we lost her. Ah! Present! I want my present! Ah!
This way. Watch out!
No, I can't see where I'm going!
Open your eyes then.
That's better. Look out, Betty!
Oh, hi, Nan. Thank goodness. Is the party ready?
Sorry, Bo, not quite. Dot hasn't opened her present, has she?
No, not yet.
I knew I could count on you two. Oh, remember, no present till party time.
That gives me an idea.
Can I borrow your toolbox? Sure. What are you doing in there? It's tickling me.
It just needs a little... Aha! Perfect. Time for a switcheroo.
My present!
Yes, it worked. She's definitely fallen for it.
Excuse me! Not my present!
Oh, sorry, Dot. Just got to go for a hot swap.
Present!
Another present.
Present! My present! I want my present!
Lights up! Happy birthday, Dot!
Not fair!
She's gaining on us!
Is she still with us?
Don't worry, we're nearly there! Hey, Nance! Better delivery!
Thanks, Bo. You're just in time. It's party time! That means it's present time. Happy birthday, Dot. This is for you.
Did that just happen?
Hey, my present!
The present! That's Dot's present!
Whoa! Look at her go!
Do you think she's ever done that before? Nope.
Mojo, Bo, save Nan! Mojo is go-go!
Give me back that present!
Nan, grab this rope!
Got it! Now follow that present!
She's definitely done that before.
Straight ahead! For you.
Oh, thank you, Nan. You are amazing.
Oh, don't you want to open your...
Present! New tricycle!
It can't possibly be faster than the old one, can it? I don't know, but we're about to find out.
Mojo, Bo, wanna race? Mojo is go-go!
It's so hot.
Hey, Bo, I have a plan for how we could cool off.
Hang on, so do I. And my plan's brilliant.
Mine's pretty great, too.
Yeah, I bet it is, but mine is... well, it's,
Better?
I wasn't going to say that. You have great ideas too, it's just I have more of them. Now, the first thing we need to do... Never mind, that called me off. Swop shop here? Oh, Oh, Miss Anita, Betty, what's up?
Ah, Bo, Mojo. Oh, we've got ourselves into a hot mess.
It's the worst thing that ever happened anywhere.
It's the hottest day of the year, and I promised the people of this town ice cream. But we can't get any.
Wait, Betty is an ice cream van. You could get her to give you ice cream.
Oh, but you see, the handle of my ice cream machine is stuck.
Oh, it's no use. Ice cream is a no-go. We need your help.
We'll be right there, Miss Anita. Helping you is what we do. Okay, we need a top that will help us fix that ice cream machine handle and feed those hot and sweaty and possibly slightly impatient people.
How about a wrecking top to smash the machine to pieces and get to the delicious ice cream inside?
Sounds destructive. Maybe something a little more...
Oh, the crane top to tip Betty upside down and sort of plop the ice cream out.
Let's just get there fast.
It's time to swap that top! Race the top!
Put your back into it.
Okay, calm down, everybody. We're here.
Oh, yeah, that's right. Calm down, Betty. Calm down. Calm down.
It's no good. The ice cream handle is stuck fast.
But I want ice cream!
You'll get one, Dot. We'll fix that ice cream machine.
Oh, that's good. I don't know why everyone was panicking so much. It's all completely fine.
Ooh, hang on, Bo. I've got a really great plan.
It's okay, Mojo. I've got a really, really great plan.
Huh?
Don't worry, everyone. We'll handle this. Mojo, let's go.
If you say so.
Careful! Careful! Woo!
Okay, well, let's loosen the handle.
At least there's ice cream.
Ooh, too much ice cream!
It's a disaster! Everyone panic! Panic!
Betty! Where are you going?
Yikes! It's the ice cream! I can't stop!
Betty, come back!
Come on, Mojo!
Mojo is go-go!
We're coming, Betty!
We need to get rid of that ice cream so Betty can slow down.
Wait, I have a plan. No, 2 plans. Wait, 3. I should write these down.
I've got a plan too. What if
Don't worry, my 3 plans are brilliant. Now, can you get me any closer?
Well, my plan's pretty great, but okay.
Okay, keep it steady. Ready?
Steady.
Mojo, eject!
Oh,
serve the ice cream. Oh.
Thank you!
Let's get this ice cream out of here! Come and get your ice cream! Get it while it's cold! Bo! Can we do my plan now? I really think it'll help! No thanks, I'm fine! Aha! I think I found the problem. Aha! That's enough ice cream for one day. Phew! Uh-oh.
Oh, dear.
Time for a hot swap!
Oh, what's your plan now, Bo?
The ice cream's still coming and I'm out of cones!
I'm not slowing down.
Try that way!
Ready? We're running out of road.
Head for the jetty!
But we're running out of jetty.
Mojo, wherever you are, I'm sorry. I should have listened to your plan. This was my plan. Swoppiton! That's a great plan. I should have listened to you in the first place, Mojo.
Oh, everything's going to be fine. I knew it. I never panicked for a second.
I've got you. It's all under control.
As promised. Thank you, Mojo and Bo. Yes, thanks. I knew you'd save me. I never doubted it.
Helping you is what we do. It doesn't just rhyme, it's true. From now on, Mojo, my plan is to listen to every plan you've got. Good plan, Bo. Wait, if your plan is to listen to my plans, does that one count as my plan or yours? I don't know, but I plan to find out. How do you plan on doing that? Dunno. Any ideas? Just a couple of tweaks and the new top will be ready. Oh, this is so exciting. I can't wait. Oh, come on, quick. It must be ready now. It's done. My greatest work. I love it. It's going to be so useful for all sorts of adventures. We may never need to use another top again. What should we call it? Ooh, 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 the cherry picker! Why? Because it looks like it'll be great for picking cherries. Yeah, why not? Let's call it the cherry picker! Yeah!
Mojo, Bo! We're having a fun fair in the town square. But we've only got one ride. The old Ferris wheel. I need you here to give rides to people to make sure that everyone has a great time.
We're on our way. Okay, Mojo. Which top for a great fun fair ride? Monster top? Racer top?
There's only one top that matters today.
You're right, Mojo. It's time to
Swap that top!
cherry picker. Hi, Miss Nita.
Oh, Mojo and Bo, I thought you were bringing something to give rides to everyone.
Ah, that's because you didn't know about our brand new top.
It is the best top for any job. It's called...
The cherry picker!
Hey, this is a fun fair.
And fun fairs need to have more than one ride.
And we can use our new cherry picker to help you with that.
Now you're speaking my language, good buddy. Mayor, the town square fair is about to get cherry pickers! Roll up, roll up! Come and try Swoppiton's newest ride.
It's gonna be Swoptastic.
All right, you're on! Guys, is this as fast as it goes?
Ah, scream if you want to go faster.
Whoa! I think I need to lie down.
That wasn't as Swoptastic as I thought it was gonna be.
Yeah, maybe we should try something a bit slower.
Oh, I'm not sure about this.
All right, Fabio, let's see if you can hit that target.
Oh. Whoop!
Mojo, Bo, how's the fun fair going?
Not too well, Nurse Anita.
Well, don't worry. We've still got the old Ferris wheel. The Ferris wheel is stuck! Bo! Mojo! You'll have to rescue them!
We don't want to be rescued.
Actually, I would prefer it.
Maybe you should go for a hot swap.
No need, Mayor. The cherry picker is the best top for any job.
Mojo is go-go!
The cherry picker!
I can't quite reach.
How far can you jump? Pretty far? It's not working. Oh!
Well, did you mean to do that?
No.
Now it's going backwards!
Hang on! We'll get you down!
Now!
I have never seen a Ferris wheel do that!
Follow that wheel!
Oh, a Western blooming cheese cockle.
Preston! Look out!
No, not the cheese cockle.
handle this. Find that rock! All right, here goes. Find that tree! Here we go again. That worked great, right, Bo? 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 I'm up here! How do we stop this thing? Don't worry, that hill will slow you down. Hill? What hill? Whoa! Uh-oh, the road is closed! Hang on, everybody! Again! That was great, Bo! It totally stopped! Hi, Marcelita.
Bo, have you stopped the wheel?
Yeah, nothing to it.
Is everyone okay?
Of course. There's nothing the cherry picker top can't do. In fact, it may be the only top we ever need. Yay! Bo! The Ferris wheel is stopped, everyone is safe, and now we can all just go home. Ah! I'll call you back. Mojo, I'm beginning to think this is an emergency. Mojo, I think we might have to try a different plan. But the cherry picker! Yeah, it's great for a lot of stuff, but maybe not this. Okay then, it's time for a hot swap. Fire top! Grab the ladder! Thanks, Mojo. Now get in front of the wheel. All right, here it comes. Get me into position. A little to the left, a little to the right. Now drop the ladder. Whoa! Huh-ya.
That was a really great ride!
We did it! The right top for the job.
Mojo! Bo! There's a problem down at the orchard. It's time to pick the cherries, and I need your help.
Don't worry, Jackson. We've got just the right top for the job. It's called the cherry picker!